Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I bought something new for you all guys. So let's get started with the video. Here are the materials that you will need. Here is the template. So draw it and then cut it out. Now fold all the lines that had been drawn as shown. Cut all the diamond shapes. Now fold this as shown and paste it with the help of hot glue gun or normal glue. Now fold these parts as shown and paste it. Now take square of 6 by 6 centimeter and paste as shown. Now put whatever gift you want to put in it. I am putting here toffees. And now tie ribbon. Here it is completed. Now again, this is the template you have to draw. You will need 2 of these. Now fold all the lines. Now after folding, paste it as shown. Now on another triangle, draw lines with brown sketch pen and make it in a box also. So here are these 2 triangles. Now cut out scoops of ice cream from colored paper and outline it with sketch pens and stick it as shown. Now paste scoops as shown. Again here I am putting some toffees. You can put whatever you want to. Now here I am making sprinkles with sketch pen. So here is another DIY completed. So here is the template for another DIY. Now cut as shown. Now fold all the lines as shown. Now paste paper as shown. Now fold from the sides as shown. Now paste strips. Here I am using dark green and light green strip as it is based on watermelon theme. Now draw seeds with the help of black marker. Now put whatever gift you want to put in it and fold it. Here is our another DIY completed. Now again, this is template. You will need 2 of these. Now cut the windows with the help of craft knife. Now fold the lines as shown. Now take rectangle whose length should be 14.5 cm and breadth 12 cm. Now glue these car shapes onto that piece of paper as shown. Now cut these extra parts. Now cut the extra paper as shown. This will help us to stick paper easily. Do this on both the sides. Now do the same process with back sides. Now cut printed paper or designer sheet and paste it. Now take rectangle of 8.5 cm in length and breadth 12 cm and mark 1 cm lengthwise. And fold it. Now paste this paper as shown. Now take another rectangle of 4 cm in height and 12 cm in breadth and mark again 1 cm and fold it. The length of this paper would be total 5 cm. And paste printed paper on front and back side. Now take circle of 3 cm diameter. You will need 4 of them and stick it as shown. Now take stones and make headlights. Now this part is optional. I am writing here birthday card. You can write whatever you want to. So here it is completed. Now put whatever you want to put in. I hope you enjoyed this video. If do so, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on like button and share it with your friends and family. Till then, tata, bye bye.